Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Creative Muvo Mini speaker with any Android device. So first of all, we have to simply click on the power button to turn it on.
Powering on.
And then click and hold the Bluetooth button until this indicator starts blinking white.
Pairing mode.
As you can see,
For device to connect.
right now we can release that button and smoothly move to the Bluetooth settings on our phone. Click to pair new device. Of course, previously you have to activate the Bluetooth and then select your speaker from the list. Accept pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it, and remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.